How to add voiceover on Canva. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can add voiceover on Canva. To get started, open any web browser and search canva.com on it. Once you reach the home page of Canva, there you can see Create a Design button. Click on it and select a video option from it. You will be directed to this page. Here from the left sidebar, you can choose the video you want, or you can also upload it from your device. After selecting the video, at the left sidebar you will see Upload button. Click on it and there click on Record Yourself button just below Upload Files. You will reach to this page. Here you can select if you want to record camera, screen or both. After selecting that, below you will see Record option. Click on it and you will have 3-second countdown before the recording starts. Once the recording starts, record your voiceover. And after you are done, click on this Done option below and click on the Save and Exit button at the top right corner. You will be back to this page. Here click on that profile and click on 3 dots. From the drop down menu, select Extract Audio. Now again click on the profile. There you will see Delete button. Delete it and select Delete Frame and it will be removed. After that, play the video to ensure the voiceover has been successfully added. Make any additional edits if needed. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.